Hi, welcome to Geo's Wall and Floor Tiling. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to tile a splashback in an unconventional way. First, we need to decide on a pattern. I've decided to match in with the floor, so I'm going to do it on a 45-degree angle, which means I need to start right in the bottom corner with a little triangle piece. From then we will progress and proceed pieces bigger and bigger and see how it comes along. As you can see, we've progressed a little. I've made it up to the top right hand corner, and I've now decided to go down and start on the left hand side and work my way across as I've done on the right. So now I've completed both sides, and I've now decided to go with another pattern. So I decided to use a brick pattern which started from the center point and working my way across both ways and cut it as I go. So I've worked up to this level and I've decided to change direction of the tiles. I'm going to lay them vertically and see how it looks. If I decide to go all the way, I'll continue it through and cut in as I go. So adding this third element, I thought it may have been a little too much, but it seems to fit in with the vertical cupboards up the top. I have a brick pattern, also a 45-degree which matches in with the floor. The brick pattern will be copied on the other side of the kitchen, which I'll show you later, and I think it'll all match in quite well. After giving it a good clean, you need to go around the edges with silicone. Removed all the excess glue from the joins, which now allows me to get a smooth silicone join. So we applied the silicone and then we used a soap and water mixture and our little silicone tool to remove the excess, and we'll get a smooth finish. After using the silicone tool, I like to wet my finger and just go over the joint, which gives it a smooth finish and seals it just that little bit further. Now that the silicone is done, it's all nice and smooth, it's ready to be grouted. So what we do now is find a nice little bucket, give it a mix, let it sit for a while, give it a mix to a toothpaste like consistency and get ready to smooth it on. So starting from the outside, work your way in, removing the excess grout as you go. Progress till all the joints are nice and full. There's no need to rush. This grout does not dry quickly. You have plenty of time to get it on, get the excess off, and get ready for sponging. Being such a small tile, make sure you've mixed enough grout to do the whole area. That way there's no stopping and starting, and you can get ready for sponging. So I've prepared a bucket of water and a nice little square sponge which removes the excess grout nice and smoothly, doesn't rake out the joints, and leaves me with a nice clean finish. So after nearly finishing off, wiping off all the excess grout, it's a good idea to let it sit for a while. It will haze over a little, which you can clean the sponge off and give it a final wipe over. Now that it's all cleaned and dried off, we put our power points back on and we can give it a final clean in an hour or two just to take off all the excess haze, clean off the benches, and we should be ready to go. This is the other side of the kitchen. I've just decided to keep it a straight brick pattern. It's a smaller area and this is the completed job. Thank you for watching my tutorial. This is Gio's wall and floor tiling. Thank you for watching my video.